Hey guys, welcome to Cryptalina channel, and today we continue to discuss what is happening on the price of the Bitcoin chart right now. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel and my Telegram group. So let's get started. But before we start, I wanted to show you the trade I entered in yesterday's video. Then I said if the inflation data is below expectations, then we can safely go long. Then I showed you a setup that is in huge profit right now. We have already reached the first goal and we already moving towards the second goal. I also told you about it in previous video, but in this video I will also talk about it in more details. If you don't want to miss my trades, subscribe to my Telegram group where I post their trades much faster. Well, now we can start it. We are on the 4-hour time frame since November 22. As I told you later, we are in this yellow up channel. The price of Bitcoin rebounded from the support zone, from the resistance zone. It periodically made such movements in the liquidity zones, but nevertheless, as we discussed yesterday, I said that the price had gone beyond this channel and was ready to break lower. But as I said, it was a false exit. It was confirmed for us on the 4-hour time frame, and now it has consolidated with such a big impulse. This gives us great hope that the price will continue its upward movement in this channel. At least we will see targets of around $18,000, $17,900 in the near future. Let's jump right into the daily time frame. Here we see a green box in which Bitcoin has been trading for about a month. You can also notice the trend line here, which is marked with a yellow line. Bitcoin has tried to break this line several times already. At least it happened twice here and here yesterday. On the daily time frame, we made this breakout. It would seem that if the next daily candlestick closes below the trend line, then the targets could be at least around $15,000 and maybe $14,000, $13,000 would be practically guaranteed. But Bitcoin adheres to the ascending trend line, fixing already above this line. In the near future, we will test this resistance block, which used to be a support block. We need to go here on large volumes, retest the block and gain a foothold higher in order to grow. There are several factors that can prevent this from being done, but before I talk about them, let's look at my trade on the BYBIT cryptocurrency market, which is right now moving towards the targets at $17,650 and $18,168 on the Fibonacci grid. You can see on the screen everything may change in the near future. But if you want to open the same trades as I did, you should definitely register on BYBIT using my referral code or my link, which will be in the description and in the first pinned comment. I will remind you once again that right now you can claim your 30,000 bonus on BYBIT. All you have to do is make a registration and make your first deposit. If BYBIT is not available in your country, then you have a good alternative. This is BitGet. It's available for all users, and on the BitGet cryptocurrency exchange you can get up to $4,163 in the form of all sorts of bonuses. Right now, follow the link in the description or in the first pinned comment, register using my link and get your bonuses. Let's get back to the factors that can affect the price of Bitcoin. The first is the news that shocked the entire cryptocurrency community. The founder of the FTX was arrested in the Bahamas, where he fled from the United States. Now they want to deport him back to the United States to charge him according to the law. Let me remind you that Sam Bankman-Fried created a cryptocurrency exchange which recently declared itself a bankrupt, and millions of users lost a lot of money. I know that people have lost hundreds of thousands of dollars that were left on this cryptocurrency exchange. Their savings are lost, so of course he should get a huge term for fraud. But there is a factor that makes a big difference. Sam Bankman-Fried donated $1 billion to support the Democracy Party. I don't mean to say it's a bribe. No, it's just a donation, but we are all well aware that there is a big game going on behind the scenes. Sam Bankman-Fried made this donation when the trading exchange still existed. He ensured in this way. I doubt that he will be sent to prison for a long time. Most likely he will receive from 1 to 5 years, or he will not receive any criminal punishment at all. After that, he will be able to start creating his products in the cryptocurrency space again, possibly fraudulent again. Also, we had bad news on Twitter. The CEO of the Binance CZ platform announces that he is suspending the withdrawal of USDT for an indefinite period. This is very bad. It may indicate that Binance has liquidity problems right now. This is not good for the entire cryptocurrency community. Binance, the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the world, will go down. Then all projects may collapse and we can see huge prices for Bitcoin, 4,000, 8,000, or the most unpredictable numbers. This is all happening because there is a huge amount of news that they are already being investigated, that Binance and CZ have been noticed on fraud, but most likely this may be due to the fact that, according to some information, over the past 24 hours, 100 billion was withdrawn from USDT by one company that was involved in the FTX. The company had a huge amount of capital on the FTX, and it's possible that right now they are trying to put pressure on Binance and CZ to create problems for them. Let's see if they have enough liquidity, but in my opinion they will. And this is just part of a big game that is happening right now. Let's move on to the technical part of Bitcoin. As you can see, this is a 1 hour time frame. The Fibonacci grid is stretched here. We saw the momentum that occurred on November 30, a correction to 0.5 and 0.382 levels, another momentum and another correction. This suggests that the 0.5 level, the zone from $16,732 to $16,800 is a fairly strong support, which has already been tested 6 times. It holds and gives us upside potential to 17,858 and $18,865. This is our second goal. After that, we will probably see a big correction to this whole move, and maybe if we don't get negative news in the cryptocurrency market, maybe we will see some growth and consolidation at $19,000 and move up. Also, let's talk about a few altcoins that are associated with Binance and today's news. This is altcoin TWT and altcoin BNB. What do we see on TWT? We see a big corrective move in the last 24 hours. This move was 24% down from the high. Also, the impulse is 164%. What does it mean? We stretched the Fibonacci grid and see that we had a huge impulse. The price corrected to 0.5 level, went further into a correction positively to 0 level. This is $2.7 per TWT and is now making adjustments. In my opinion, you can expect prices around $1.08, $1.06 for TWT and accordingly select it in this price range. Then wait for an exit to at least $3.8 or $5.6 per TWT. The global target is $7.3, which is in the 2618 Fibonacci level. Let's also look at the BNB chart. This is a token from Binance. We see an impulse, we see a correction to it at 0.32. After that, a strong momentum to the second target at $1.618, $365. After that, volatility again to the level of $252. And after that, another corrective movement. I refer this to the negative news that affects the BNB price, but nothing terrible is happening, it's just a growth correction, which was recently. We should expect a price of about $246 $239 per BNB, and after that a subsequent increase towards global targets, which are now at least $422 on a Fibonacci grid. The last time we failed to close this goal, perhaps it will be closed in the near future after a complete correction. So guys, I hope you like this video and my update. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and Telegram group, and also don't forget to put comments with your opinion below. What do you think about the price of the Bitcoin chart? What goals do you expect? Will Sam Bankman-Fried go to jail or not? Write it below this video, and it's all for now. Bye!